Okay, so now we want to figure out, we just did a thesis, we did a little bit of an outline. I didn't finish the outline, you can have the time to finish it, right? But what I want to do now is I want to figure out how do I take what I've outlined and write an actual pill paragraph from it. So let's do that with this paragraph here. I don't know why I keep starting with the second paragraph. So you would obviously do this in order, but I'm going to go ahead and do this paragraph that I've outlined here. So if I'm writing, remember that you need to have some kind of intro, and then I already have a thesis. I could say, in this poem, Douglas conveys concepts of sexuality, sensuality, and gender. Okay, boom, got it. Next, I am going to write my first point, which is Douglas establishes a dreamlike mood infused with the concept of sexuality. So I'm literally going to write that. Douglas establishes a dreamlike mood with, what did I say? Mood infused. Oh, that's a good word. Infused with the concept of sexuality. So there's my point. And then I can say in lines 3 and 4, Douglas states, and I go back to my poem, and it says, she on the sea floor of the afternoon draws down men's glances. Okay, and I've got it. So that's my line. And then I just start to explain, what do I see in this line? And I say, Douglas utilizes a metaphor to compare the afternoon to the bottom of the sea, which creates a dreamlike, wavy, and relaxed mood, since sunlight underwater is known to have those qualities. So notice that I've talked about the literary device, I've explained the literary device, and I've explained the effect of that literary device, right? A couple things going on with that, but I'm not done yet. I also want to say this dreamlike, floaty mood, oh, that's not a word, this dreamlike mood that evokes a sense of floating and weightlessness is then starkly juxtaposed. Hopefully you're noticing I'm carefully choosing my words, which is how you get good points for the final criterion. You want to be aware of your writing. Weightlessness is then starkly juxtaposed by the diction of draws down, reminding readers that that Douglas is describing the weight of a stone. This stone's weight is equated to the sexual attraction that the men have as they watch the woman in the middle of the crowd. Then my link, he's trying to show us, Douglas is showing us sexuality has a powerful weight to it and can entrance an entire crowd. Okay, so here's my first pill paragraph. I've got my point, which is going to be one color. I've got my evidence, which is going to be another color. Nope, different color. Ah, foiled. I've got my analysis, which is all of this. It's unpacking everything I see in that particular line, and then I've got my link. And this is a good starting, this could be a good starting paragraph. I mean, they're interchangeable, right? Anyway, that's how you do a pill paragraph, and I pulled it directly from my outline, so hopefully that's starting to make a little bit more sense.